So while I've been towing the GT on this trip, Borgie has had the luxury of towing the large model, the GTS. Why don't we take a look? The hardcore Overlander GTS is what you would call the ultimate family camping solution. Not only is it tough enough to follow you four-wheel drive pretty much anywhere you point it, but it's comfortable enough to become your holiday home away from home. It all starts with the huge interior. The Overlander GTS has a comfortable queen-size inner sprung mattress for mum and dad, which is easily accessed through the walk-through style layout. The main living space is huge, and you can even extend it with the included kids' room, giving you room for the whole tribe. The GTS also has a large shower and toilet room that can be fitted with a 12-volt hot water system to make your next camping trip even more comfortable. When you are camping though, you want to spend as much time outside as possible, and the GTS makes that easy. The Overlander range has one of the best kitchen setups we've seen in a camper trailer in recent times. All of this is covered under the 270-degree awning, and there's even room for the biggest of fridges in the back. Well, there you have it, guys. The GTS has more features than you can poke a stick at. Why don't you head across to the Korr Campers website and maybe even download a brochure for yourself?